Now, as an engineer, first thing first, I know last time I told you guys about BIOS environment. Did I mention something like BIOS environment? What was it used for? Did you take notes from my last class? I say something like BIOS environment and their functions. I gave link on that. I said something like it's a place where you No, the BIOS environment is a kind of a place, an environment for you as a user to go and give command on how you want your storage to function. Maybe you have for UEFI, you have the legacy. This is a two mode you have. Then, with time you understand the process I undergo to make this, to actually get this. Because this is the basic knowledge for me, because if you don't have this, there is no how to be able to format the laptop. So I have the bootable device. Let's proceed. So bootable flash drives, all those things you use there. Nobody is now talking much about this CD-ROM. We're now looking old, like kind of in terms of this functionality we are not to achieve now. But it still makes sense. This was what I started with. Okay, I started with floppy disks before we got to this. So this is called CD-ROM drive. So it's actually used for, you can use it to run your software, you can use it to watch your movies, you can use it to run anything that has to do with CD. Understand? So, but right now, we are not using it, we are using what called flash drive. Why am I using flash drive? Because I have already programmed my Windows installation files on this disk. Am I communicating? Now I've made my job easy for me. I can move around as an engineer with this. I can travel the whole world with this. Just coming to job, just coming out from office. You know also what I'm holding. I have this hard disk for my storage and installation. This one is my Windows. So I made the work easy for me too. Now right now I'm going to use this now to install an operating system on this laptop. I don't forget it. Now what this is used for. I don't know what this. What's it called?
That's a CD drive.
Have you not seen this before? I thought we know how you asked the last question. The last time I came, you guys said you guys know about laptop, peripheral hardware, keyboard, all those basic things. The same thing applies to the laptop too. This is what? CD-ROM drive. What is it used for? Be loud. I want to hear you. What is it used for? Push it for do what? Use what? Do what? Push it and do what? Let's see, you watch movies, right?
Run software.
Run software is, let me interacting. It's used for what? You can run your software, you can put your Windows operating system here and run it from here. You can use it for many things. Just because the technology has gone far. Have you heard of work before? Have you heard of work setup before? I want to run a setup. I want to execute a command. Now I want to talk about bootable environment. They're still talking about that environment that allows you to give a command. Am I communicating? The environment that allows you to give a command to project out something to get information. Like it's an environment